Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dominique Monroe, and I'm here with my babies. 2 out of 3 of my babies, and today video is about what?
We get to do her makeup.
So I'm letting them do my makeup. He's gonna do this half, and she's gonna do this half. And we're gonna see how this comes out. So we're just gonna jump right into this video because I don't want it to be too long, and I'm kind of scared, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Okay, I'm gonna use this. So this is what I'm using first, guys.
Okay.
Okay.
Guys, I think I'm gonna use foundation.
Yeah.
Wait, which one? Wait, is this foundation?
I don't know.
Yes, so you have to flip it over because I opened them from the bottom. Where are you gonna mix the foundation at, though?
I know.
Your face.
Okay.
Right? Can you squeeze this?
Or do I put it? I put it on this brush. Or no, I put it on your face and then I put it like spread it
Oh, we need some more. Okay, that's good.
We the best music. Another one. You stick out of the crowd, it's a no-brainer. It ain't the hard to choose.
I have
just-
leftovers.
Okay, I'll just mix it in for you guys.
So, can you take this off of my hand?
Thank you for putting that.
It's in your hair.
You about to say my wig?
Yeah, that's why I stopped.
Hey, Mommy,
You
put this.
do-
I put this on your.
No, right here. Square a little on your hand.
Guys, can you
That's
tell it's
too
good?
much.
That's too much. Dang it.
Oh.
Dang
wow.
it! I should have done it on my right hand.
Need foundation.
I go like that.
This one and this one. Okay, guys. So I'm just
And then you do half my face. Yep.
Okay, I'm not trying to make it like really bad.
What product is that?
This is her beauty.
And you love her, don't you?
Yeah.
So they're
Not
using.
sponsored.
He said not sponsored by her though. Not yet.
How do you
Yeah,
mix
you
it?
definitely are.
This is something you guys are supposed to learn how to do.
Wait, do I
I
do
don't know
it on
how
your
to
eyebrow?
mix it.
Just do it.
Look really nice.
Okay, but you can't put your hands.
Sorry.
Okay.
This is terrible.
Mine looks really nice. Okay, so
I'm
we're just
gonna use that one to blend.
put that one right there.
So I'm using
Now-
this one to blend. So
Okay, now I need some highlighter.
okay.
Okay.
I think you needed a little more of that darker one, but
Okay, now what should I do?
it's fine.
Oh yeah, I need that thing that highlights yourself. Where is it? This stuff? Because I think it's this stuff.
That's not it. I'm not gonna say nothing. I'm gonna let you do my makeup.
Because I think it's this stuff then.
It's definitely not that. I'm scared.
Okay, that's not that. That's sorry guys. No, it's this.
That,
Yeah.
okay.
Maybe
It's not
a
blending
HD
up there,
powder.
but whatever.
I'm sorry. Oops.
Okay, now guys, I'm gonna use concealer,
What is this?
and the concealer is also Huda Beauty.
Oh no, it's not this. Okay. Let me grab a brush. Can I have this brush?
No, that's not. You're gonna mess my brush.
Oops. This one.
I don't know
No.
how to do this.
This one? This one.
Where's that one brush that you brought, Mama? The big round one.
This one?
Here,
Oh,
just use this
sorry.
one.
Thank you.
That's right here.
No, that's not it.
It's a little.
So you're putting on powder, right? And you're putting on concealer. Oh, oh wow.
Just the foundation. Really, Mom?
Okay.
You're gonna make that look
I'm
bad.
gonna use this color.
That's why I'm using.
This color right there.
I don't know how. I'm just gonna squeeze it here, so I don't squeeze it too much.
Okay.
That's enough.
So I think. Wait, let me see. It's strong.
One night it changed your whole life. One drop top, it's a no-brainer. Put 'em up if you with me, yeah. In the middle.
No.
Dang. You look.
Okay.
fine.
Okay, now I'm gonna use the
There you
beauty
go.
blender for this.
Okay.
So making you look pale.
Okay.
So Samara,
Yes.
what is you doing up there? Like why did you put concealer up there?
I don't know.
Okay.
Oh, can I have the concealer?
Thank you. Okay. Making you look very pale, but I mean, I have foundation right here, so.
What you been waiting on this whole time? I blow the brains out of your mind. And I ain't talking about physically, I'm talking about mentally. She look like she nasty. She look like she classy. She look at.
So that's all. Now I need a beauty blender. Cause like I gotta blend the beauty.
You're using blush?
Yep.
Alright.
Smile.
Okay, we gotta make this work.
Here.
Too much. Oh no, it doesn't look bad.
Yes.
It doesn't look bad, does it?
Don't look rich, I ain't got no chain. Not on the list, I ain't got no name. But we in this bitch, I'm not no lame. And I keep it Ben Franklin, I'm not gonna change. All of these old messy. I do want you and your bestie. I don't gotta answer whenever you text me. It's multiple choices, you don't wanna text me. She choosing the squad. She tryna choose between me, Justin Quay and a sword. She told me that she loved it, I make music for God. I told her I would let her see that blood. You sneak out of the crowd and eat.
Oh, look at mine right there. I need to do something to that.
Ooh, your eyebrows are really complete. And also, guys. Okay, highlighter. Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter.
Samara, look how pretty that is.
Wow, that's so pretty. Going on.
That's so pretty.
Fantastic.
Who's that by?
Rihanna.
What's the
Not
name of it?
It's called Fenty Beauty. Fenty
What is
Beauty.
this?
And it's in color espresso.
Nope. I need that one thing. I need highlighter. I think highlighter will make it.
Y'all, look at, she just drew this line all the way to my lip. Why are you using that one?
Because you have to put it under that. Right? What is this? Oh yes, I need to mix it now.
This fool.
Okay, I need a
I don't need
highlighter.
to mix it too much.
This is
I
oh
need it too
my
much.
god. No, I already messed it up.
Ooh, that's pretty. Do you not think that's pretty?
It's gorgeous, guys.
That's pretty.
It's way too much.
You guys comment below and tell me how you think they're doing.
Highlighter on fleek.
What side do you like the best? The Quan side or Samara's side? Quan?
Okay, I need an
Samara.
eyeshadow. No, I'm gonna use some of this powder with this brush, right? Yeah, and you'll mix all the colors.
What should I use now? You're mixing all the colors.
That's what Mommy says she does.
I don't do that, but okay. You just got it all over your shirt.
Oh, that won't come out.
Yes, it will. It's called a washing machine.
Okay, what should I use now?
So this goes all over your
Okay, let me
face.
just put all this stuff up. Guys. Lipstick.
There we go. That was okay. Now I'm gonna bake
don't wanna break
under
this. Can you
her
open
eyes
it?
with this Lori Percy. I don't know if I'm
Laura Mercier.
Okay.
Oh, wait, I gotta make
You
this
have it.
look.
Ew, this looks disgusting.
Oh, my hand is so shaky.
Now I'm gonna use what brush do we
we go.
use to
I
bake?
can do this side.
Yeah, I'm gonna use this brush to bake. So, Mom, can I use this brush to bake?
Okay, there. Now just go.
Okay. Oh yeah, this is the beauty
Wait, let
blender.
me see. That's pretty. Oh, I like that. Now I need. That's the stuff that you put on. Okay, I need that next after you. I was like, what is that? When I seen it, I was like, what is that? Okay, what is this brush?
Now I need to wipe it off like. Okay, what brush do I use?
Okay, now I need this.
Now I need this brush.
Now I need.
I have no idea how to do it.
Oh, it's gone.
Now I'm gonna use highlighter because it's gone. Now a brush.
Not trying to copy her. But.
Smile. There we go.
No. Oh yeah, you put this.
Now I need
Put
eyeshadow.
this right here under, right? Right. If you go
I got one of her
Like
brushes
that?
from a previous video. Just uploaded.
Dang, I think I'm ruining this. Bro.
You stick out of the crowd, baby, it's a no-brainer. It ain't that hard to choose. Him or me, be for real, baby, it's a no-brainer. You got your mind on loose. Go hard and watch the sunrise. One night, it change your whole life. Pop top, drop top, baby, it's a no-brainer. Put 'em up if you with me, yeah. In the middle,
Use this taupe matte color
From Mac.
from MAC.
Let me just go over.
She has a lot of lipsticks for MAC. Just letting y'all know.
But Mac is like.
Another one.
I need. What is this? I need this.
Boom, guys.
No,
Do you
don't.
like my finished touch? This is her face.
This is his side.
Colors.
Do you like the colors?
Yes.
Make faces like every 5 minutes.
Just gonna outline it. Wait. Ready?
Samara.
I don't know how to do it.
No, here. I know how to do it. I've seen people do it.
Okay, guys. So here's the finished look. This is Daquan's side,
Pretend
and this is Samara's side. You guys comment down below and tell me which side you like better. This is the first and probably the last time I'll let them do my makeup because I look crazy. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow me so you can watch more. Hit that notification bell button so you can see when we're having more videos. And I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial with my kids. And now, what you think?
Honestly, think mine.
Just pretend that Pete Clyde is not there.
And we're out.
Peace!